Hello, friends. Welcome back to famous, creative, well-known, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. I've been working around Python since last 1.5 year. I've done many videos on Python on web development, machine learning, Streamlit, then data analytics, database, and fast API, and many more. I've done many videos on face recognition, face detection, sentiment analysis, facial emotion recognition, then attendance system, and hugging face, and many more sentiment analysis and this thing. I have done plenty of videos on rather celebrity recognition, then natural language processing. I have done many videos, but today's video is something innovative, creative, and unique. Today's video is about facial emotion recognition with graph. I've done many videos on facial emotion recognition, but few videos on facial emotion recognition using graph. That was one video of face sentiment analysis. I done image of Shah Rukh Khan was displayed. That was also unique video. But today's video, my face, live face, and facial emotion recognition using graph, using Streamlit. So let us go through the execution of the program. Yes, my live face has been detected. Now I will take the photo. Now I am neutral. We can see here neutral is high and angry on this. Now I will see here happy. You can, I will take happy and okay, I will take okay. Surprise has been working fine. We can see here the surprise is graph is more prediction, and now happy it is not. Fear, I will ask for fear. Neutral, it is showing neutral. Yes, happy is working. Yes, happy. Now I will try of angry. Now it is showing sad. Okay, sad is working. Now angry, what, how can you detect? Surprise we have seen. Angry. Angry is little bit coming more. Neutral is so disgusting. We will see disgusting. Surprise is coming fine. Sad. Neutral. So I successfully done with facial emotion recognition using graph. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be trying to remove to show the facial emotion recognition using photo image. So I will upload the image of Shah Rukh Khan, we can say, yes, angry, and upload my image. It is neutral, yes, 100% neutral. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more videos on Python, but right now working on Node.js and web development. But still I will be focusing some videos on showing some videos on Python and machine learning, because these are my favorite topics. I've done many more videos on that. So keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you.